Hey there, welcome to the Art We Make video series. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do some nature monoprinting like these. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm grabbing my materials, some colored sheets of paper, a printing block, acrylic paint. You could use printing ink, a water-based printing ink, a brayer, and a paintbrush and a paper plate. And I'm going to paint on my natural image, my pine sort of leaf kind of idea, a little abstract. I'm going to grab a sheet of paper and place it over the printing block and smoothing it with my hand, peeling it off carefully. Ta-da! And then I'm going to try for a second print, even though this is technically supposed to be monoprint, which means one, just because there was a lot of paint on there. And then I'm going to grab my brayer and smooth and get it really inked up and ink up my printing block with even some more. And then I'm carving into the paint with the plastic tool to do, this is called like a negative print, so that the image will be paintless, hopefully. And then put my piece of paper on, smooth it, peel it off. Okay, there you go. So that's 2 ways of printing. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at annalens_art and at annalensart.com. Thank you. Bye.